Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Vina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for lychee tea. First things first, you're going to get some ingredients, and that includes canned lychee, English breakfast tea, and of course sugar and some water. So I'm putting 3 bags of the tea in my French press, adding the 1 cup of boiling water, and you're going to wait and let that steep for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to pour it into a large jar. Then add 1 cup of cold water, and that kind of expedites the cooling process for the tea. Then you're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of the syrup that's in the canned lychee. And what that does is going to infuse the lychee flavor into your tea. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to dice up the lychee. I'm using about 4 to 5 pieces of the lychee here. Then add it to the tea, and again that adds some more lychee flavor. You're then going to cool your tea for a couple of hours, add your toppings. I'm using basil seeds here. Then add your ice, stir really well, add a boba straw in, and enjoy.